SKNIS presents National Symbols. In this episode, the national bird.
The national bird of St. Kitts and Nevis is the brown pelican. Its scientific name is Pelicanus occidentalis. In its youth, its head, neck, and upper parts of the body are brown in color and mostly white below. As the bird matures, the majority of the body becomes dark brown, while the upper part of the head turns white. During the post-nuptial molt, the adult's neck turns white. The neck and head are not extended during flight. Brown pelicans are sometimes solitary feeders, but on occasion may also be found in small flocks as they feed on schools of fish near the surface of the sea. They can be found throughout the West Indies and in the subtropic regions of the Americas. Their colonies nest in low trees and in bushes near the coast.
Thanks for watching.
SKNIS is now on YouTube. Just run a quick search for the SKNIS to view this program again or any of our other programs. Hit subscribe to be alerted when we upload a new video. You can also connect with us on Facebook. Get started today.